it's Batty and JJ. Red Best of Best again. See a lot of videos I doing from here because they have a lot of good cards and I like to bust it out here. It's fun. It's a fun thing to do. So we're gonna do Doctor Strange. So they just opened up a new case. I think this came out like last week or 2 weeks ago. So wanna see the chance. So you guys might see more than one video, depending on the luck of this case, of this box. Sorry. If we don't get the autograph, if you guys notice what I do, I'm just gonna continue trying to see, hopefully get something. Hopefully won't do the Hawkeye problem that we had, as you guys seen in my past videos. So there's a little less space, so we'll see and do what we can. So the good thing about this is there's pretty good autographs. Autographs in here, or his autograph. I'm not sure if hers one is. There's also a lot of other guys that's there too. So, Batty will think for us. And we'll start, you guys. You know how this goes. We'll either go fast or we'll go slow, depending on what we find. If you haven't seen this, so I will show the cards a little bit more. So I think they say there's about at least a couple numbers in here, 2 numbers or so. You guys notice I've had some look at some other ones, not all. It's hard because if you guys haven't seen my videos on the marble boxes, it is 2 per case. So getting an auto is pretty hard. It's not the easiest to do. They're cool looking cards. I'm gonna do a way to speed this up as cards are. Our cards are cool looking. Because there's only numbers in here, if anything else special. I don't know what that was. Right. Oh, here's the film cell. Standard marble stuff with the film cells.
Oh, no, an Inception. Oh, yeah. Was this the one you're saying got
So hurry.
Last time I ripped a couple of your function boxes. Try this one, because it's multi-sport. I think I got a PSA 10.
First number?
This is cool too. This or this, but this is just basketball. So this one gives you a chance at order. That's the one number. Is there a football player and it's just basketball? Oh, right. So this one, they made the product and the box. They said,
"Oh,
didn't need to put basketball in this." So they sent out like a newsletter out. So yeah. So this one or this one? Look for a super rare, or kind of be super rare. Maybe super box, foil, something else. Do you really keep some of this stuff? No, you make room. You don't have this. Most of it you yeah, no problem. We'll give them away to the kids.
Oh, look, another film cell. 2 film cells. That's never a good thing. Another number. 15.
This guy, did you guys play for him? Chris Murray plays for the Kings, and this guy just
No number.
so this is a triple out of these guys. I don't know what their affiliation is. What is it, five? Mikey Williams is a high prospect. He got in a little trouble, but he has issues.
Alright guys, last spot. We'll see what happens. Nothing for now. Just 3 numbers, 2 film cells. Nothing special. It's the last pack, then we'll decide if you see me do another box or not. I don't know if I will or not. It's fun, but also hard to do. Another number. No luck, you guys. Alright, buddy. Close it up.